Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a haul for you guys. So yesterday morning I went out with my parents and we went to this plaza called Waterford Lakes, and it's like an outdoor shopping center that has like a bunch of stores and restaurants in East Orlando. So that's where we went and we kind of spent a lot of money. So today I am here with a Marshalls and TJ Maxx haul, and it's like literally a bunch of random stuff. Like, I don't even know. It just, you walk into those stores and it's like Target. It basically just tells you what to buy. You just go in like, I don't know, it's random. We're gonna start. I do have a bunch of baby things because I have a couple of friends that are expecting or have recently given birth, so I have a lot of baby stuff. So don't mind that. It's not for me, it's for my friends. So we're gonna start off with this bag. So the first thing I got is this baby bag, and this is from Ross. This was, no, TJ Maxx, just kidding. It's in a Ross bag though. But this was a $2 bag. Oh, hair in my face. And my friend's baby shower is next Sunday and she's obsessed with giraffes. Like, I don't think anyone in this world is more obsessed with giraffes than her. So this is for her baby. She's having a baby girl. This has it has blue hearts, but if you can see, the giraffe has like pink cheeks. It's like barely noticeable, but you know, it's pink. It's for a girl. Baby Isabel. So that is the bag where her gift is gonna go. And this melts my heart. This reminds me of like the 80s, 90s, where this is how they used to dress babies. This is like so vintage, chicy. Mom was the one who actually saw this and I was like, oh my god, yes, let's do it. So there are these like little ribbon sandals, like this little pearl and like rhinestone detailing on the sandal, and then like this little matching headband bow. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see, but look how freaking cute. I die. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have a baby. Oh, this is so cute. But yes, this is for baby Isabel. It's also for her because like I said, she is obsessed with giraffes. So I found this like throw blanket and it's so soft, but the detail is so cute because it is giraffes. So they have little pink, gray, and purple giraffes and like little flowers, and then on this side it's just all this fuchsia kind of pink. This is so cute, and this was $7. Oh, this little sandal set was $5, and then this was $7. This is so cute. But next is this bag. There's like things from Ross and TJ Maxx because me and my parents kind of separated the things we bought because they had to go home. So there's random things here. But this next thing I thought was so cute. When I saw it, I was like, yes, because I have been looking for these in Forever 21 and I hadn't found any. I found these. There are these little cute ears. Let me put like one on. So there are these little cute ears and I thought they were perfect for my videos, for when I do makeup or just want my hair out of my face, because I have the flower ones and the black lace ones that I always wear, but you know, sometimes I want something a little more simple. So this pack of 3 was at Ross and it was $6. So, and then my mom loved these, so she made me get them. Aren't they so cute? So these are kind of similar to my other ones, but I like it because the headband, like the flower piece is here rather than on the ears. I thought this was super cute, and this was also $5. Next, I got this for my baby Ezra that was born recently, because Kiara, my friend, she got a bunch of clothes. So I found these little things and I thought they were so cute and convenient. So it's to separate the clothes, so from 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 9 to 12, and then they have these little trucks on them. So I thought this was cute, and I found these at TJ Maxx, and that way it's a lot easier to find clothes when you need them, rather than like look through piles. So this was $4 at TJ Maxx. I got this lash application. So in my last video I did them with like a bean saw thing, and mine are so pointy. I think they're in my purse, but they're so pointy, like you can poke your eye out with those things. So I really wanted to try these just because it kind of has this tilted shape to where it's perfect to apply on your lash band. So these were $4 and they're from the brand called Lindo. It says Precision Pearl Multi-Purpose Tweezer. So I thought those were great. Next, I found these reusable bags for traveling. It's a 12-piece set of little Ziploc bags just so you can store your liquids, makeup, other things like that for when you travel. They do meet carry-on regulations, so if you are traveling, these are perfect for that. So they bring 12. They have 2 patterns. So they have like this little floral pattern here, and the other side is just this little cute like vintage style makeup pattern. So I thought these were great. I have 2 cruises coming up within the next couple of months, so that was the purpose of buying those. Next, I found these cosmetic scissors, and this is from the brand called the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and they're just little small scissors. To be honest, I bought them to cut the hairs in my nose because they're like getting a little long, and the ones I have just don't cut anymore, so I needed some new ones. And these are also really good to like cut off like falsies, just trim them down. So this was $4, $3.99, and it just has this vintage floral pattern. So yeah, got that. Next is another little gift for baby. There are 3 little bows, and it has this like cheetah pattern, a light pink and a hot pink, and this was $2. I thought this was so cute. I love little baby girls with bows. Next is this pack of Bandana Bibs pattern, but it just has these little animals. It has a giraffe, elephant, koala. The next one, just a pink one, and it says love. And then this one is just like a symmetric triangle pattern. But these are a little pack of baby bibs, and they're from the brand Carter's. Just quickly interrupting here to let you guys know the focus from here on out isn't the greatest, but it isn't awful. But I understand if you stop watching, but you can keep on watching if you want. Thanks. And this pack of 3 bibs was $6. I thought those bibs were super cute. Next, I found this little beauty blender and stand by the brand called Bella Beauty. So it is this little stand. I mainly got it for the stand. I don't really care for sponges that are from other brands that aren't Real Technique or the actual Beauty Blender brand, because they're so hard. Like, I'm like, yo, this feels like hello. I really got it for the stand just because I feel like it's perfect. My beauty blenders are always flying away, so you just like have your beauty blender there. I thought this was so cute, and this was $4.99. Got these little Capri shorts, and it has like a high waistband here, but they're just cotton shorts. I love to walk around these like with these at the house, or if I'm gonna go to Publix or something, just throw these on and keep it moving. These were $8.99 at Ross, and they're from the brand called RBX. Next thing I got from TJ Maxx was these nail clippers for Ollie. His nails are super sharp, and I just wanted nail clippers that were specifically for dogs or pets. So these are from the brand called Petkin. They're just pet nail clippers, and it says fast and easy for trimming, and this was $3.99. Oh, this is one of my favorite purchases. Like, I cannot believe I found this. I almost had a heart attack when I saw this. But I got the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette, and guys, $24.99. $24.99. That is so cheap. These things are like $42 at Ulta. Look how beautiful. So you guys know, you've been following me for a while, that this is my holy grail palette. I have used this thing and abused it like there is no tomorrow. So this is the Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette, and I've always seen it, and I'm like, oh, I want it, because I do have the Peach palette too from Too Faced. I love their palettes, and look how beautiful these colors are. They're so gorgeous. Like this teal here, this like rose gold. I love this black. They just have such beautiful like earthy tones, and then these like random pops of colors. I die. This is so cute. I cannot wait to use this palette. So excited. $24.99, and it is not even swatched, because usually the problem at TJ Maxx when you do find high-end makeup is that they're most likely swatched, and this one is not. Another thing I bought for babies is these baby bottles from the brand called Dr. Brown's. I do know that this brand is very popular, which is why I got these. It says compare at $10. It was $8, so it's a little couple dollars cheaper. These are 2 5-ounce bottles. They're 2 5-ounce bottles, and yeah, I got these for a little baby girl. So they just look like this. Brand new packaging. They're not even touched, so I thought that was perfect. I got also, this little girl, I got her a bunch of stuff, is this little towel, A little towel with a little washcloth. This is a little hood, so when you take her out the shower, you just put that on her head and protect her from the cold. But yeah, got that for her. Next, I got this Japonesque waterless brush cleanser. So it's just a spot on brush cleaner. Because I am doing makeup on Wednesday, so I wanted to have this just to kind of, you know, spot clean my brushes if I go into a different color. So this was $5.99, and I do know that this brand is from Ulta, but I've never actually used their product, so I'm excited to try this. And again, this was $6. So I got this pack of adult vitamin D. My mom, she says I'm deficient in vitamin D, so that I needed vitamin D gummies. So there you go, Mom. That one's for you. I got this Derma E Age Defying Night Cream, and I have never used the brand Derma E, but I have heard really good things about it. One of my friends, Kiara, she loves Derma E. She's always talking about it on her Instagram, so I decided to give it a try. But it's just this cream, and it says that helps improve tone and texture, and it's a blend of antioxidants. This cream was $7.99, and it says that it expires in 2021. I am very particular about buying face products at these kind of stores just because I don't know why they're there. I don't know when they expire, if they're already expired. So I always make sure to check for expiration dates just to make sure we're still good to go. I got this face cream. So this is a night cream. So I got this. It's a day cream, and it is a multi-mineral facial mud. This brand I have never heard of. It is the brand called Thalia. And it is a natural essence of the Dead Sea. That's what it says. In this little brown bottle, it kind of looks like those EOS chopsticks. So this is the cream here, and it says that it is a multi-rich moisturizer enhanced with Dead Sea black mud and algae extracts designed to provide continuous moisture to the skin, leaving it hydrated, nourished, and soft. Quick and easy absorption. I also got these sandals at Five and Below. They just have little llamas on them. Ollie bites all of my flip-flops, and when I need to go to the beach or walk him, I have no flip-flops. So I got those for $3 at Five Below. Last but not least, I got one more bag. In here I got these sandals, and I love these sandals. They're so cute. They're from the brand called Madden Girl. They were $16.99, and they're just like these Birkenstock style sandals. I think that's what they're called, Birkenstock, I'm not sure. But I love sandals that have the little loop for the toe. I prefer this over thong sandals where you just, it has the line here. Yeah, so I love these. I'm going on a cruise, like I said, in a couple months, so I wanted to have some sandals for that. Book bag I found, I thought it was super cute. I've been on the hunt for a good book bag. I have two Kipling book bags, one white and one rose gold, but I wanted something a little more kind of stylish, I guess you can say, and I found this one. I thought it was so cute. This is a leather material, and the rest is nylon, and then it has these little gold details that I love. And on the inside I loved it too. It was this beige. It has a bunch of different pockets in here, so a bunch of space. And I didn't even realize until I got home, but inside here it brings a little portable charger with a cable. How cool is that? I have no idea. This is from the brand called Tutilo Boost, Tutillo, New York. And it says Tutilo Tech charge the day, hashtag charge the day. Includes Tutilo Boost. So yeah, I've never heard of this brand, but I thought that this was super cute, and again, just super comfortable when you're on the go to the beach, go to the pool, if you're going to the park, even for the cruise. So I love that. But yeah, guys, that completes this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I know it's a bunch of random stuff, but I haven't gotten that much things in a really long time, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. I said on my Instagram, a lot of you voted to do a haul, so here you go. Here's a little random haul. I love tonterias, all the mini stuff, all the random stuff. Give it to me because I love it. Leave some comments down below for any suggestions, or you can DM me on Instagram or email me on any video suggestions that you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.